This could be the car for you. The 2019 Toyota Highlander. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a sleek and sporty Toyota Highlander your family will love. From its safety and driver assistance tech to its multiple climate control zones and infotainment system, this smooth-riding, quiet, roomy 3-row crossover offers the capability and creature comforts to help you make the most of every road trip. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate, fog lamps, satellite radio, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls. Whether you need a spacious cargo hauler or a refined road trip cruiser, this Highlander is ready for the task. Treat yourself to a test drive. Our knowledgeable staff is here to make your experience easy and fun.